Hey everyone, Ehsan Bahrami here. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to dive into some of the most useful features of VS Code like code auto-completion, quick fixes, code formatting, and a bunch of other tricks. By the end, you'll be able to use this ID just like a pro. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and set it to all so you don't miss any of the new videos I upload. And if you enjoy this content, don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment to keep me motivated. Now let's get into it and check out these features on my laptop screen. First, we want to talk about Autocomplete and IntelliSense. In general, they help you to code easily and fast. Now we want to see how they can help us. For example, after you start typing, it suggests some words to you and you can select from the options. And if you press the enter button, it completes word for you. The next feature is quick fix. If you have any problems in your code, it shows you a lamp icon. When you click on it, it suggests some options and you can choose from them. Automatically, it solves problem for you. Another feature is refactoring. With refactoring, you can have more clear code. For example, it makes a function or method from some lines of code or assign a value to a variable, then you can use it multiple of times. How can you create a function from some lines automatically in VS Code? First, select your favorite lines. It shows you a lamp icon. You can click on it. It suggests some options and you can select extract method from them. Automatically, it creates a method from your selected lines. And by calling this method, you can run these lines multiple of times without writing them again and again. There are many other use cases in refactoring. The next feature we want to talk about it is navigation. For example, you want to know where you use my print method. You can right click on it, then you can use go to definition or go to declaration options. Also, there are another options. They are under pick. They show your information in a box on your opened window. Next feature is linting. It helps us in solving problem about semantics or format of our code. It's important not to confuse linting with formatting. For example, let's use print method incorrectly. Immediately, it shows us error and it notifies us with a message. There are different linters that we can use. For example, PyLint, Flake8, MyPy, and Rough. Another feature is formatting. It improves code readability, so you can read your code easily. It's about how to use spaces after declaring a variable, after creating a method. There are many formatter that you can use. For example, rough or black formatter. Some formatters have additional features like sort your import section in the code. Rough and isort have this feature. It's useful when you have many import lines in your code. If you want to run your formatter, you can press Alt-Shift-F buttons. It usually asks you to install a formatter in first run. Now you can install formatter. It shows you different formatters in extensions section. You can choose your favorite extension and install it. You can sort extensions based on install count. We want to install rough extension in this session. Click on it and then click on install button. It installs for us automatically. Now if you press Alt-Shift-F, it formats your code automatically. We also talked about two important features in previous sessions. They were debugging and virtual environment. You can access to the link of that video at the top or in the description of this video. By watching this video, you should now be able to handle many tasks that professional developers do in their IDs. Plus, you pick up a bunch of practical programming tips along the way. If you want more videos like these, let me know in the comments and we can explore even more details about using VS Code together. Thanks for sticking around. Your support means a lot. To keep me going and help create more content for you, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and set it to all so you won't miss any updates. Your likes and comments are super valuable to me, and I'll do my best to read and reply to them. See you in the next video. Take care.